for his father to remind his son about the shot. Eh, talaga mo papasok kaya dapat you should take more of paano niya i-convince yung kanyang anak o yung kanyang fighter to do something na mabago naman yung tema ng laban na ito because the first two rounds were definitely American's rounds.
Vietnam go the combinations again. Like to reach off basically, you know, but with his left to the right, but the this is American. And now you see now you go.
Yung sinasabi natin na pinagkaiba ba ni American kay Eric Morales. Garcia had a successful win against Morales. Pero ang problema ni Morales kasi pasok ng pasok and American is not giving Garcia that same style. Kaya to this point, sabi natin, medyo one-sided itong laban na to, favoring American.
American overwhelmed Danny Garcia early on in this fight. Is scheduled for 12 rounds. This is the championship fight.
Ng kanyang career, talking about American. At syempre, yung mga nakakalaban ni Don si American as compared dito sa mga nakakalaban ni Danny Garcia. Ang layo ng kalidad. Danny Garcia has fought and won against the likes of Eric Morales, Kendall Holt, Nate Campbell, John Figueroa. Except for Eric Morales, ang tanong dyan sino yung mga pinalo nyo ni Danny Garcia?
Then at the start of this fight,